Welcome everybody to your brand new success journey. The reason why somebody sent you this video is for one of the following reasons. Number one, you're just looking for something else outside of what you're currently doing for you to attain some extra cash. Number two, you're looking to learn a brand new skill set. Or number three, you might be completely sick and tired of being sick and tired living from paycheck to paycheck and you want to completely change your life around. Either way, for the next 15 minutes, I hope you have enough information for you to now go away and make an educated decision and of course, hopefully move forward with this opportunity. My name is Hugo de Jesus. I've been a part of this digital entrepreneurship journey for the last 5 years. Prior to me doing this, I was actually working a 9 to 5 as a broker before actually coming into the digital entrepreneurship life. Now, ever since then, I've been able to now make multiple six figures within the space and of course help thousands of individuals do exactly the same thing, simply being able to build a business online, learn a skill set in order for them to now make an extra additional income or completely become financially independent. And I hope you guys can do exactly the same thing. I'm going to be covering 3 questions. Number one, who we are as a platform. Number two, what is it that we actually do in terms of products and services? And number three, what's in it for you? How can this opportunity now help you change your current situation for the better, whether it is to clear off your debt, whether it's to pay off a holiday, whether it's to now buy a new car, whatever that may be, hopefully this information can now enhance you to become better and have a better lifestyle moving forward. Number one, who are we as a platform? Now, the name of the platform that we've decided to partner up with is called JIFU. JIFU stands for an abundant life. We are not a hedge fund, we're not a financial advisory system, we are an educational platform that focuses across 3 different pillars. Number one, we focus on travel. Number two, we focus on health. And number three, we focus on wealth. Today's primary conversation is going to be about wealth and how you're going to be able to go from a complete beginner to an intermediate to an advanced individual in order for you to become consistently profitable with one of the skill sets within the wealth sector. Now, we have multiple different sectors that we provide. We go from real estate, e-commerce, forex, crypto, stocks, AI, finance, whatever industry you decide to go into, you're now going to be guided, you're going to be mentored, and you're going to have every step-by-step system to make sure you go from a complete beginner to a consistently profitable professional within the sector you decided to dive into. Myself and my team, we decided to go into the wealth sector, which is primarily focused around forex, cryptocurrencies, and social media marketing. So for those who've never actually come across forex, what is forex? Forex stands for foreign exchange. Now, every single time you guys go on a holiday, what is the first thing that you guys do? You're going to exchange one currency for another. I'm based in the UK. If I wanted to travel to Spain or to Portugal, I'm going to have to exchange my pounds for euros. Now, every single time I exchange one currency for another, they're attached to an exchange rate. The exchange rate fluctuates every single minute of the day, going up and down. Now, what we're going to be able to teach you is how you're going to be able to buy the currency at the right time to flip a profit and sell the currency at the right time to also flip a profit, investing into the financial markets. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this is already being done by governments, banks, financial institutions on a daily basis with your current income that is sitting in your bank. All we're simply going to tell you to do is now pick up a skill set that allows you to make 0.5%, 1%, 2% potentially on a daily basis, instead of you just receiving less than 1% interest at the end of the year from your bank. So here's why I decided to make this my full-time. Number one, it is completely recession-proof. This is a $6.2 trillion industry on a daily basis. So you can make unlimited income potential. Number three, now you're gonna pick up a skill set that allows you to now not only keep it to yourself to change your situation, but you're gonna be able to pass it down to friends, to family, and even change your generations to come with a skill set that allows you to make an income on a day-to-day basis. Now that you understand exactly who we are as a platform and what is forex, I'm now going to go over to explain exactly how you're going to be able to attain the education within the platform, as well as learn about our products and softwares that's going to be able to make you an income on a day-to-day basis. So number one, when it comes to your education, as a company, we now have modules from beginners to intermediate to an advanced. Everything is video-based, where you're going to be able to watch it as many times as you like until the information is digested into you in order for you to be able to go and apply it into the financial markets. Alongside that, as a company, what we've done, we've now hired professionals, educators, experts that have got 5 to 10 to 15 plus years of experience who have now made 6, 7, 8 figures within the industry to be able to guide you, to mentor you along your journey. This is when we have our live sessions. Now, within our live sessions, they go all the way from Monday to Sunday, all throughout the day, depending on your time zone and where you're located around the world. And it comes in multiple different languages, such as Portuguese, Spanish, whether it be Polish, German, English. It comes in multiple different different languages attained to you. And that is our education. So you're always going to be guided every step of the way. And every single live session is recorded. And there's two different types of live sessions. There's an educational session, but there are also money-making sessions. This is where educators are going to be able to potentially tell you when to enter the market and when to exit the market with the highest level of probability, depending on the strategy that they are teaching you in order for you to flip a profit within the financial markets. Which leads me to our products and services. This is when we go over to our JIFU artificial intelligence scanners. All of these scanners are based on an algorithm. This is where they're going to scan the markets on your behalf. Gone are the days where you have to sit there and scan the market for hours and hours and hours. No, when you come over to our strategies, you're going to be able to now literally click onto one of the strategies and it's already going to do 90 to even 100% of the homework for you, where all you've simply got to do is copy and paste it onto your MT5 or whatever trading platform that you currently use. However, there is an educator and there are tutorials to make sure that you understand how to use each scanner and how to use each strategy, to make sure that you are never confused, to make sure that you are never lost, so you know exactly what to do every step of the way. Now, when it comes to the winning rate, when it comes to the success behind the strategies, it's anything between 72% to 86% successful when it comes to using the strategies. So what does that mean? If you simply go into the strategies and you now take 10 trades, 10 trade ideas, what can possibly happen? You can now potentially lose anything between 2 to 3 and you're going to win anything between 6 to 8, which for me is an absolutely phenomenal track record. Which leads me to our last product and service, which is our JIFU Connect app. Now, I understand some of you guys are watching this and you may not have all of the time to learn. You may not have all of the mindset or even the capabilities to pick up a new skill set. So what we've done within our JIFU Connect app is now we've added something called copy trading. What is this? This is when you're going to have access to multiple of our educators on our app where you can subscribe to. And what you're going to be able to do is not just follow them for their educational sessions, you're now going to be able to actually copy their exact trade ideas that they get into. They do the analyzing, they do all of the homework for you, and they send you an alert, a notification, in order for you to simply copy and paste into your trading platform in order for you to flip a profit. What did that take you? It takes you less than 2 minutes for you to copy and paste. It didn't take none of your homework, it didn't take any of your mind, it didn't take any education. You're just simply leveraging the experts that have done all of the homework for you in order for you to now make an income within the financial markets. And this for me is probably one of the best platforms for a complete beginner to come in order to start his journey trading until he picks up the strategy over time. In addition to the app, we have something called Tap to Trade. Tap to Trade is our hands-free automation product. This is where you're going to be able to have all of your trades done completely on your behalf. How does it work? All you're simply going to have to do is to connect your broker or your trading account via a server into our app. Now, once you've done that, every single trade that is now sent via our app from our experts, our educators, they will now be automatically opened on your broker account or on your trading account, right? And once that is done, you'll be able to actually set your risk management. You're going to be able to set exactly to risk 0.5%, 1%, 2%, 3%, however much risk you now particularly want to do for every single trade that is open. You have complete control over your account. We will never, ever handle any of your capital. We'll never handle any of your finances or even your account, as everything is connected via a server. And this is where you're going to be able to have a complete hands-free automation service where everything will be done on your behalf. And all you've simply got to do is check your account or check your trading app every week, every month, or every other day to see if you're in profit, which once again, our success rate for this particular service is anything between 60 to 70% successful. Hopefully by now you guys have seen enough value. Wherever you guys want to pursue and continue within this opportunity, I've shown you who we are as a platform, what do we actually provide when it comes to our education and products and softwares, and what's in it for you. Finally, what I'm going to do, I'm going to be able to cover how you can actually get started within the opportunity and of course move forward within your journey. Here at JIFU, we offer 2 different lifestyle membership packs. We offer this on a month-to-month basis. The way that we run it is on a subscription-based module. Just like your YouTube, just like your Apple Music, just like your Spotify. There is no contracts involved and you can cancel at any given time. Now, the first package that we have is the entry pack. This includes your forex, your crypto, your stocks. However, it comes only to a limited amount of JIFU live sessions. You will only get one of the JIFU artificial intelligence scanners and you will get limited trade ideas ideas sent to your JIFU Connect app. This is available in Africa, this is available in Latin America, and this is also available in Asia. And your entry pack comes at a price of $109 on a month-to-month basis. However, your first month will cost you a one-time registration fee for $40. So your first payment for your entry pack will actually cost you $149 for you to get started within the entry pack. The second lifestyle membership that we offer, it's called the Elite Pack. Now, the Elite Pack includes everything I've mentioned to you throughout this presentation. You will get the community, you will get the mentorship, you will get the guidance, you get all of the education, you get all of the live sessions, the money-making sessions, as well as the educational sessions. You will also get all of the JIFU scanners, every single strategy, and you will receive all of the alerts across the JIFU Connect app when it comes to the trade ideas sent on a day-to-day basis. Now, this pack comes at a price of $185 for your month-to-month payment. However, your first initial month comes with a registration fee of $114 for your first month. So your first month for you to get started, your payment will come at $299 in order for you to get started within our platform. So these are the two lifestyle memberships that we offer. However, if you actually want to be a part of our scholarship program within our university, then we've got something called For No More. What does For No More stand for? It simply means if you buy into our vision, if you want to be a part of our vision to impact 1 million families from all around the world, then you're going to be able to get your subscription completely free. How are you going to be able to do that? We don't offer no advertisement. We don't offer no TV ads, no online ads, no billboards, nothing. The way that we have been able to build our platform, our university online to 40,000 plus students has been completely through trust referral marketing. Somebody gets started, somebody uses our education, uses our products and services, gets results, and they share it with friends and family. And what the company now said, if you decide and you actually want to get a scholarship program and you recommend this to 4 individuals that you like, that you respect, and you also like to offer this opportunity to them, then you'll be able to now have this completely free on a month-to-month basis for a lifetime, as long as those 4 individuals are registered within our university. So there you have it, guys. Hopefully you guys now have all the information needed in order for you guys to walk away and make an educated decision for you, whether this is for you or not. If you're anything like me, when I first saw the information, where you may be skeptical, you may be doubtful or overthinking, my best advice to you is this. If you saw less than 1% chance that this can work for you today, this is what my mentor told me. He said, Hugo, get started and learn along the way. And that's exactly what I'll tell you. And since I've made that decision 5 years in, I've not regretted not one bit. I've now been able to now make multiple 6 figures within this industry, help countless of hundreds and thousands of individuals make money on a daily basis, and create an absolutely family-orientated community. So I hope to see you within the community. I hope to see your success. So what I would like you to do is to go back and now speak to the person who sent you this video and say, I'm ready to get started, or ask any final questions before you take the leap on your next success journey. And if you guys need any help from me, what I simply need you to do is just message me on Instagram at @IamHugoJesus, and I'll be more than happy to help you all throughout your journey. It's been a pleasure, guys. Take care.